Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Grade 4 GIS Official. How are you today? I'm fine too, hopefully you are in a good condition. Before we start our lesson, please raise your hand and say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, today we will continue our lesson. If the last meeting we already learned about area, today we will continue our topic that is about perimeter. Let's enjoy the video. Friends, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Have you ever walked around the field? When you walk around the field, like this, it means you already count or measure the perimeter. Note, don't count the line inside the shape, but the perimeter is only the length around the outside of a shape. Perimeter, square, and rectangle. What shape is this? Can you guess it? Yeah, this is square. Remember that a square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Square has 4 sides that are all the same length. And then, what shape is this? Yeah, this is rectangle. Remember that the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. That the opposite sides of a rectangle are the same length. Okay friends, this is the example. The question is find out the perimeter of this square. Can you see my picture? Okay, we can answer it together. We can count the perimeter by counting all the sides in the outside of square, or we can just add all the sides of the square. This square is consist by 4 square units. 1 square unit is 1 centimeter. The side of square is consist by 2 square units for the side. It means 2 centimeters for each side. And then we can add all the sides of square to count the perimeter. We can add, the first is 2 centimeters, and then we can add 2 centimeters again to be 4 centimeters, and then we can add 2 centimeters again to be 6 centimeters, and then the last we can add 2 centimeters again to be 8 centimeters. So, the perimeter of the square is 8 centimeters. Or we can use the perimeter square formula. Look at my picture. This is the square picture with the side 2 centimeters. You must remember that a square has 4 sides that are all the same length. We can answer it together. Side of square, or we can write as, is 2 centimeters, and then the square has 4 sides. So we can get the formula. Perimeter of square is 4 times s, or 4 times side. We know the picture, the square picture, the side is 2 centimeters, so we can write 4 times 2 centimeters. And then we can count 4 times 2 centimeters is 8 centimeters. So the answer perimeter of the square is 8 centimeters. Example 2, it's about perimeter of rectangle. The question is find out the perimeter of this rectangle. We can answer. We can count the perimeter by counting all the sides in the outside of rectangle, or we can just add all sides of rectangle. Look my picture again. This is the rectangle with the square units. 1 square unit is 1 centimeter for the side. From this picture, we know the length is consists by 4 square units, so the length is 4 centimeters. And then, we know the width is consists by 2 square units, so the width is 2 centimeters. For calculate the perimeter, we can add all the sides of the rectangle. We can add from here 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. So we can get the answer. Perimeter of rectangle is 12 centimeters. Or we can use the perimeter rectangle formula. Look at the picture. From this picture, we know that the rectangle has different width and length. You must remember that the opposite sides of rectangle are the same length. That means if the length in here 4 centimeters, length in here 4 centimeters too. And then if the width 2 centimeters, the width in here 2 centimeters too. We can count the perimeter by adding all the sides in the outside of rectangle. From this picture, we know that the width is 2 centimeters and the length is 4 centimeters. The rectangle has 2 width and 2 length. So we can get the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is in the bracket 2 times length plus in the bracket 2 times width. So we can make the simple formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times in the bracket length plus width. So we can write down 2 times the length is 4 and then the width is 2, so we can write 2 times 4 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. 4 for length and 2 for width. So we can calculate 2 times 6 centimeters. We can count in the bracket at the first. So we can get the answer 12 centimeters. So perimeter of rectangle is 12 centimeters. Okay friends, this is the exercise. We can try it together. The question is find out the perimeter of this square. Can you see the picture? We can answer. The side of square is 6 centimeters. You must remember square has 4 sides. So the formula perimeter of square is, yes, perimeter of square is 4 times s or 4 times side. So can you calculate the result? Yes, 4 times 6 centimeters because the side is 6 centimeters. 4 times 6 is 24 centimeters. So the answer is 24 centimeters, or you can use the different way. You can use the adding the side, add by 6 centimeters, and then 12 centimeters, and then 18 centimeters, and the last is 24 centimeters. It's the same answer. You can use the formula or add side by side. So we can get the answer is perimeter of the square is 24 centimeters. Okay friends, this is the last exercise. The question is find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Look at the picture. From this picture, we can answer the length of this rectangle is 4 centimeters and the width of this rectangle is 3 centimeters. Rectangle has 2 width and 2 length. So we can use the formula perimeter of rectangle is, do you remember? Yes, perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 times in the bracket length plus width. We can write down 2 times because from the picture the length is 4 centimeters and the width is 3 centimeters. We can write 2 times in the bracket 4 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. And then we can write down 2 times. We can calculate in the bracket at the first. We can calculate 4 times 3. The answer is, yes, 7 centimeters. So we can calculate 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14 centimeters. So we can get the answer perimeter of the rectangle is 14 centimeters. Or you can add all sides of this rectangle. You can add 4, add 3, and then add again 4, and then add again 3. You can get the answer is 14 too. It's same. The answer is 14 centimeters, the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay friends, maybe it's enough for today. Hopefully you are understand, and then let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Stay healthy and keep spirit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on next video. Bye bye.